Talk about Twitter, shall we? It has just reported that its earnings for the first quarter of 2022, it could be the company's last report as a public company. The board agreed to sell the social media platform, as you know, to Elon Musk for $44 billion. ABC News financial contributor Alexis Christoforous has been following this with us from the very beginning. We talked to her the day it broke. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's talk about, and you know, you predicted everything that we're seeing now. So let's talk about Twitter's earnings report today, okay? Tell us about the long-term health of the company, and do you think it changes the equation at all for Elon Musk now?
Well, Kira, I wish I could say I have a crystal ball and can tell you what business will be like for Twitter going forward, but I can tell you what that report said today, and here's what we know. Twitter now has 229 million daily active users. That was more than expected and up from the 215 million it had at the end of last year. In terms of sales, they rose 16% from January to March to $1.2 billion. It sounds like a lot, but believe it or not, Kira, it was a little disappointing. The street didn't love that number. As for what's to come, we didn't learn much because they said they were not going to hold a conference call, which they usually do with us reporters and analysts, and the company is not going to offer any forward guidance because they said they have the deal from Musk to buy the company. They had some really lofty goals for 2023. They want to have 315 million active users by the end of next year. They want sales to rise to $7.5 billion. If you look at those numbers compared to what they reported today, they have a long way to go.
All right, and just to give you a heads up, we got a 2-minute warning with the president, so we might have to jump out real quickly. I know, but we're going to try and get through this. Musk has been very active on Twitter, both before and after this announcement to buy the company, but it seems that that's getting him in a little bit of trouble with Twitter and its employees. Yeah,
you know, he is getting into some trouble by some of the things that he is saying about other folks. We're going to have to go to President Biden, though, so I'll tell you about that later.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.